Hello everyone, welcome to my makeup tutorial. My name is Natural Lee. So I am going to start off with my base called Luar, and it's concentrated with pure gold. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to dab it around my face like that, and I'm going to put it in my face like so. Okay, and now I'm going to do my brows. I am going to get my eyebrow brush from my Morphe palette, and I'm going to use this color right here to do my brows. Gotta get my mirror together, y'all. So how I do it, I brush it up like this. Then I take my eyebrow brush, dip it in, and then I'm going to fill them. And first I'm going to trace the bottom, then I trace the top, and then I fill them in. In the beginning of the brow, I do it like this. See? And then you take the spoolie and you blend it in like so. And I'm going to do that with the next eyebrow. Like so. And then I am going to take my concealer, LA Pro, the color Warm Honey, and I am going to get my concealer brush. Put it on my concealer brush, and then I dab it in the four corners like this. That's how I do it. I do it like this. And then I'm going to trace the brow. Sometimes I like to lift up my brow bone so I can make sure I get everything underneath. Like that. Like this. And now I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend it out. Okay, so now I'm going to get my two foundations. Teint Couture by Givenchy and Photo Perfection. These are two. One is slightly lighter, one is slightly darker. So I like to mix them in. So that's what I'm going to do to get to my complexion. And then I put it all on my face like this. I take the beauty blender, blend it out. Okay, so now that is done, I am going to go back to my Morphe palette. So I'm going to get my blending brush and I am going to use this color right here for my crease. Sorry, I had to move it up here because I want you guys to be able to see the look. So yes, I already began to apply the shadow to my crease. Okay. And now I'm going to take my e.l.f. I'm going to be using this color right here. I'm sure if you can see it. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. Take my ring finger, go over my lid. So it looks like this. You know what? I think I'm gonna add a darker brown to the lid. Use this brown right here for my cut crease. Not my cut crease, Lord have mercy, for the inner, for my crease. Yo, what is going on? Okay, so this is how it looks. And now I'm going, I know it looks crazy right now, I'm fixing it. I'm going to use this color right here for my brow bone. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I just had to pause it for a little bit and I had to fix the mess that I done made. Okay, so now I'm going to use this one to the top. So go on the top like this. Now I'm going to use this one to go on top. These products are by e.l.f. by the way. Okay guys, so the eyeshadow that you see me apply here, I had already applied to the other eyelid earlier by mistake. So that's the reason why you see me apply it here only once. Okay, so now we're going to get into the contour. So I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro color font to conceal under my eyes and to highlight the bridge of my nose, my forehead, the chin, my upper lip area. And now I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty color Truffle for my contour. Boo! Okay. So now I'm going to blend out my contour. like so. And now I'm going to take my fluffy brush and I'm going to blend out, brush off the excess powder. Okay, so now I'm going to do my under eye area. I'm going to be using this brown color right here for the under eye, and then I'm going to use this color, use these two for the under eye. Okay, so now I'm going to put on my false lashes. I would put on my mascara, but I don't know where it is. It's like I lost it. Okay, y'all. So I found my mascara and I put it on the bottom line, on the bottom lash. And as you can see, I put on my false lashes. And now I'm going to go back to my e.l.f. Smudge pot, and I'm going to put this color on the inner eye. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to add my highlight. You know what's so funny? I've always wanted to record. I always wanted to record, and I felt the tug to do so. And I was like, how am I gonna do this? I don't even have the proper equipment that I need. But you know, I believe that the Lord was telling me, like, no, girl, you have everything that you need. And that's so true. If God tells you to do something, don't worry about how you're gonna do it. You already have everything that you need. Just take what you got and make it work. Gotta make it work. Trying to figure out if I want to use the Tarte one. Let me see. I use Tarte. Trying to see if I want to use Tarte or Enlight. I might use Tarte though. I think I like Tarte. Let me see. Oh! Ooh, glistening. Now I'm going to use my lip gloss, my handy dandy lip gloss. I'm going to apply it all on my lip. Okay, and here is my look. Like, comment, share. And once again, if God tells you to do something, you have everything that you need in order to get it done. So just try it. Nothing beats a failure but a try. That's what my boss used to say. Nothing beats a failure but a try. Hey y'all. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you like. I want to give you a close-up of the eyeshadow. I really like it. I would definitely do this look again. To God be all the glory, because I did not even know what look I was going to do. I didn't even know what outfit I was going to do. But God is good. So I let him do my makeup. I let him dress me up, and voila. So if you want to see the pictures, follow my Instagram at naturally3_. And yeah, check it out. I will be posting some inspirational quotes. I will be sharing my testimonies about all the things that I've gone through in life and things that I've learned in my journey with God. I'm sharing stories about how I've overcame my fears, you know, because I did have a huge insecurity and fear about going on camera without any makeup. And Yo, literally, he has been breaking all the chains every step of the way. Like, I was afraid to step out, but once I began to step out, day by day, he began to set me free. So now I don't have a problem with it. So yeah, so that's my little testimony. That's what I wanted to share, and I hope that this would bless and encourage someone. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I pray that you have a blessed day. I hope that it inspired you, give you some makeup inspirations,